Alright y'all, so we're gonna be walking for a little bit. However, this is gonna be a very short walk because I have the gym later. So I just wanted to get up early, get some sun, get some lights, get some nature, and really just connect with my ancestors. It's been a minute. Another nature walk. Sun's out, buns out. So beautiful today. Alright y'all, so I finally put on back my old bikini from last year. Thank God it still fits, even though I've gained weight since last year. But I'm looking forward to today's gonna be a beach day. I still have to go to the gym though before we head to the beach, so I have glute day today and then we're gonna head to the beach and just chill out. So I'm looking forward to the beach, not actually the gym, to be honest with you, and I'm tempted to just drive right past it and go straight to the beach. Anyway, join me today. We're going to the beach. By the time you guys see me, I'll be out of the gym and we'll be heading to the beach. Alright y'all, I am officially done with glute day and we are about to head to the beach for a couple hours. I'm just glad and proud of me for showing up today because I really wanted to skip the gym. Y'all, we officially made it to the beach. Oh my god, it was a trip to get here, y'all. I got lost so many times. So there's two beaches and they're labeled the same, but like one is free and one's not. I just had a feeling that the GPS was about to take me to the one that cost money and I'm like, I just want to do something that doesn't cost money today. Yeah, I pinned my location so next time it'll be easier to find it, but let's head out and set up camp. Y'all, so we are heading home. I didn't stay that long. I stayed for like an hour and a half. I think the only thing this beach day was missing was less of a crowd. I hate coming on weekends, but this is the only time I had available to come. But I don't think that that's gonna change. I really do like it when the beach is somewhat empty. So the next time I do a beach day, it's gonna be when no one's here. So I'm heading home now. I'll see you guys later. All right, y'all, so we're about to head out to a date night, but this is the outfit, my baby. You're new to this, huh?
You got me on video.
Alright, y'all, so we came home and changed the outfits. Okay, we're heading to the movies to see the new movie, that Obsession movie that everybody been talking about. I'm very excited to see what the hype is about, but I figured I'd go casual to the movie, so this is the outfit. And I wore them with my Air Forces. The bag is really the statement. So cute, isn't it? Yeah. So I just finished an upper body day and I started this book, The Let Them Theory, okay, by Mel Robbins, and I've been enjoying it so far. I just literally just started it, and there's this part where she talks about the 5-second rule. I did not know that she went through so much. I listened to her podcast on Spotify, but it's very interesting to read the author's backstory. So we're just gonna enjoy some of that reading while we sit in the sauna for a bit. Alright, chat, so we are making a scarf right now. I got the whole like part right here done, so I decided to do like a black and pink theme. However, like I'm gonna tuck these in afterwards. I'm kind of playing around with ruffles right now. I think I like this look, right? So it's like a pink with a light pink, and then like the ruffles are on the outside. But that's the kind of scarf I'm going for right now. I'm not sure if I want to add like dangly things at the end. I'm gonna just go all the way around the entire thing. I'm starting over the entire seasons of Phineas and Ferb. I used to love this when I was a kid, and I was just looking for like a comfort show right now. So that is the rest of my evening. But it's so funny to me because like as I'm crocheting this, I'm like staring at the blanket that I never finished. Oh my god, that's how I'm feeling. So I got about this much done. I'm gonna zoom out, hold on. About like this much done. The thing is, I'm doing ruffles, so you gotta put like 5 or 6 in each full, so it takes a bit longer. So that's why, you know, I'm glad it's at towards the end of the project. But I'm gonna be doing this for a while, y'all. But like, I'm gonna take a break. I decided to switch from Phineas and Ferb to Wizards of Waverly Place, and your girl is loving it. I think it's coming out pretty cute. I kind of just freehanded this, so you know, I started learning the basics: a scarf and a blanket, and I made a bag, and I made a jellyfish. Where's my jellyfish actually? I made this jellyfish. It was like my first project that I made, and I think it looks like a jellyfish. Honorable mention.
Chocolate! 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 Chocolate!
Okay, so right now I have, these are the videos I'll be filming for the month of August, and this is the last video I have left to film. I filmed my Patreon reading yesterday and created these flashcards, right, of the first house, the 12th house, 11th house, 10th house, 9th house, 8th house, 7th house, 6th house, 5th house, 4th house, 3rd house, and 2nd house, right? So these cards are going to be included in the reading. I don't really know much about the first houses or the houses in astrology period, but I figured if I have that on the desk, I'm going to pull a card for each house, and then we're going to be taking that reading also into the extended. Planning out my content has really helped me stay on track. I'm really loving it. So when we're done with August, I'm going to be moving on to September. Like, look how beautiful this is. This is a Patreon reading. How does your spirit team see you? And this one is also a YouTube reading. So the other three are YouTube readings, and this is the Patreon reading that I did yesterday. Alright, y'all, we're back from the gym, and my baby got me these beautiful flowers. Aren't they so cute? Yeah. Pink roses. Like, it feels like it's matching the energy I'm in right now, just like self-love, you know? But yeah, let's cut it up and put them in a vase.
Fire!
May these flowers bring in more self-love and emotional